こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, Kanji video number 8 of Jlpt N4. In the end of this video, there will be a quiz. Then you can practice Kanji and also the grammar. The first Kanji of today is this one. And this comes from this E adjective, 正しい. 正しい. And this means correct, right. And also can be precise, exact, just, and true. This kanji symbolizes the first line, this red one, this means stop, stop. And the other one is this ashi, legs. So it means, or legs or the feet. Then it means stopping at the right place. The stroke order is quite easy. The first one is this red one. 1 and 2 in just in the middle. This black line. 2 and 3 is this one. Blue one. 3 and 4. This green line. And the fifth. This is the longest. Like this. 5. In Japan, this kanji is used to count numbers as tally marks. For example, when you see this is 1, then you do like this 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8, right? But in Japan, we use this kanji and this stroke order 1 and 2. So it means 2. This is 3, and this is 4, this is 5. And this one, this is 5, and the other 3, so it means 8. The reading way of this kanji is 正しい, and sei, show, masa. Adding this kanji, mon, it means gate. And here, we pronounce sei, seimon, seimon. It means the right gate. Seimon, well, it means principal gate, main gate. Here we pronounce sho, お正月, お正月, New Year. Now this one, 正面. Well, this kanji men, it means surface. So the correct surface, the right surface, well, 正面, this means just in front. 正確. 正確, it means precision. But with na, this is na adjective, 正確な, precise, accurate, exact, 正確な時計. 時計, it means clock or watch. So 正確な時計, it means accurate watch. So exact, so precise watch. The exact time. 正確な時間. 正確な時間. Very formal Japanese sitting posture. We say 正座. 正座. Well, this 座 comes from the verb 座ります. 座ります, it means to sit. 正義, justice. Justice, 正義. Now I add this kanji 感. 感, it means feeling. Well, 正義感. It means sense of justice. The next kanji is this one, 変. And this comes from this na adjective, 変な. It means strange, odd, weird, bizarre, and sometimes eccentric. The upper part of this kanji symbolizes thread, and the lower part, it means tangled legs. So it's not normal, it's strange. So it means this, not normal, the thread is also like this. It's not normal. So this means strange. The stroke order, the first one is this red one, 1, and second one is this black line, quite long and going a little bit up, and 3, this blue one, 3 going like this one, and 4 with jump. After that, red line again and going outside, and this one, now the black one, outside, not so long. Now the lower part of this kanji, the first one is this blue one, 1 going outside, and now this green one, you are going up, and you turn also here. And the last one is this red line, quite long, like this. We can read this kanji, hen, and also ka, from the verb kawaru, kawarimasu. It means to change. In this case, intransitive. Something ga kawaru, or kaeru, kaemasu. In this case, transitive. So something o kaemasu. In the future, I'm going to explain you about the transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So now you don't have to worry too much. Adding this kanji, this is person, hito. But here we pronounce with jin. Henjin. Henjin. Ooh, weird person. Eccentric person. Weird story. Strange story. 変な話。変な話。Ooh, strange taste. Ooh. 変な味。変な味。strange dream. 変な夢。変な夢。hard, difficult, tough. 大変な。This is な adjective. Oh my goodness, what should I do? 大変だ。どうしよう。A hard work, or difficult work. 大変な仕事。大変な仕事。To make a transformation or to transform. 変化します。変化します。Next kanji is this one, and the meaning is red. When we say only aka, this is the noun red. And e adjective, we must add i. So this is e adjective, akai. This also means red. The way how to conjugate is different if I use as a noun or as an e adjective. For example, it's red, and I'm going to use as a noun. 赤です。赤じゃありません。赤ではありません。Now I'm going to use it's red, it's not red, but using as e adjective. It means 赤いです。赤くないです。Now please write with me. This part is 土。土 is the soil, or 土曜日 Saturday. So it's quite easy. The first one is red line from here, from the left to the right, and not too long, quite short and going up. And second one is just in the middle, going down like this. And the third line, this is quite long, from left to right, going up. Now the lower part. At first, this green line from here, going a little bit outside, and now this red line going straight down and jump. This is longer jump. And then this black line going your outside, and this one, blue one, the last one, also going outside. You can also pronounce seki, and this also means red. A baby, 赤ちゃん、赤ちゃん, baby. In the red, in the deficit, 赤字、赤字. Literally in Japanese, aka, this is red, and ji, this is letter. Okay, not numbers, but well, akaji, it means in the red. Red traffic light, 赤信号、赤信号. The equator, 赤道. Here we pronounce seki, okay? Seki, the red, do, this is like a path, street. Sekido, the equator. The next kanji is this one, and the meaning is blue. Ao, ao. And just as the same way, ao, this is the noun. And aoi, aoi, e adjective, also the meaning is blue. We can pronounce this kanji ao or sei. Now let's write this kanji with me. The first one is this red one. One, and it's not so long, quite short and going up. And second one is this black one, just in the middle, in the center, straight down. And this blue one. And this blue one, if you write a little bit shorter than this red one, is better. And the last one is this green one. This is the longest from left to right. The important point to write beautifully is this one. This black line is just in the center of kanji. And also here, this space and this space about the same ratio, okay? And also the inclination going up, the same inclination. The lower part, it is like tsuki, the moon, right? But the difference, tsuki is this red line is going outside. But here, not going outside, just straight down. And this black one going a little bit up and also straight down. And this is longer and jump. And at last, this blue one and green one. Be careful, the same space. Young men or teenager, adolescent, seinen ages are somewhat between 15 years old till 24 years old. They are seinen. Springtime of the life or the youth. Seishun. And this kanji shun, we can also pronounce haru, and it means spring. The last kanji of today is this one, kuro. Kuro, it means black. And also as the same as red and blue, kuro, this is noun. And kuroi, adjective. This is adjective, and this means also black. The upper part of this kanji with a ten, this one, this symbolizes chimney. And this one, ten, this symbolizes fire. So fire and chimney. So chimney became black. So this means black. The way to pronounce this kanji, kuro and also koku. Adding this kanji jin, person, here we pronounce jin. Kokujin. This is the black race people. Black people. Kokujin. Surplus. In the black. Gold in the black. Kuroji. Kuro, black, and ji, this is the letter. But this is kuroji. This is surplus. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using as many kanji as possible. 1番目, I wore a red kimono in the New Year's Day. 2番目, last night the baby was crying for all night long. So it was awful. Here I'm gonna help you with some words. The verb to cry. Nakimasu. This is group 1, okay? Nakimasu. Sentence, I told you, the baby was crying. So this is the past, but it continuous tense in the past. Crying for all night long without any interruption. In this case, we must use this adverb, zutto, without any interruption, and something continuously going on. ずっと。3番目、最後です。The young boy who is wearing a blue sweater is my friend Kuroda-kun. This sentence is a little bit difficult with a relative clause. Do you remember? And sweater, we say seeta. My friend Kuroda-kun. Well, I want you to use Kuroda. This is the surname. I want you to write in kanji. Kuro, this is color, the color, black. Kuro, black. Da, this is ta, from the tambo, ta. This is like a rice field. Kuroda, then kun. Kun, it's like san, Kuroda-san, Kuroda-chan. But as this is a young boy, we use kun, Kuroda-kun. With this number 8 of kanji video of JLPT N4, you already learned 40 kanjis of JLPT N4. I'm conscious that not so many people want to learn kanjis, so I know that there are not so many views in my kanji videos, but I think it's quite important to learn kanjis of Jlpt N4 because these kanjis are not so difficult and so basic to live in Japan. So I try to do these videos for you. If you're watching me now, I know you did the exam and you really want to learn kanjis too. And if you can help me, please share my videos with your friends. And please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. いかがでしたか？今日もまた漢字の勉強をしました。今日は4級の漢字の8番目のビデオですから、もうこれで漢字を40も勉強したことになります。漢字を勉強するのはちょっとめんどくさいなと思っている方も多いかもしれませんが、でも4級の漢字は基本的な漢字ですから生活するのにも便利で、本当に知っていた方がいいと思います。漢字のビデオは視聴率が他のビデオに比べて低いのは分かっているんですが、だから時々どうしようもうやりたくないなと思ってしまうこともあるんですよ。でもそれでもやはり、4級の漢字はちゃんと知っておいた方がいいなと思うので頑張って作っています。ですから皆さんもぜひ応援してください。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。私のやる気アップのためにも、ぜひぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、バイバイ。